Let's permanently delete your Facebook Lite account. To start, open your Facebook Lite application as well as it is better up to date this application before you start. Then tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Here select settings and privacy and open settings like this. Select the very first one, account center. Select last option, manage account. Then tap manage button next to Facebook. Here see the second option, deactivation or deletion. Here change it to delete account. Then tap continue. Here keep in mind your both Facebook and Messenger account will be deleted. Now you have to select a reason. I will select the second one. My account was hacked. Here just tap the continue button to go forward and scroll down and tap the continue. Then if you want, you can download a copy of your information. Otherwise just enter your password to verify yourself and just tap the delete account button. Once you schedule to delete your account, it will be deleted within next 30-day period of time. After tapping delete button, just wait a few seconds, then you will get this message, your account now scheduled for permanent deletion, as well as you will get an email to your primary email address immediately. It says your account scheduled for deletion and it will be permanently deleted on this date. So if you want to cancel the deletion request or if you want to recover it, or you can temporarily deactivate your account, you can click this end screen videos and come on over. See you in the next one. Later!